If you've been working on your PC and ever had the need to generate this division symbol here, you're going to need a keyboard with a keypad. That's where the numbers are oriented in a rectangle, not the numbers that are above the actual letters. And you're going to need to press and hold the Alt key as you then push 0, 2, 4, 7 in succession. So that, again, on a PC is press and hold Alt as you press in succession 0, 2, 4, 7, again on the keypad, or the number keypad, not the numbers on top of your letters. If you're using a Mac, you're going to want to use the Option key, where you press and hold the Option key, and then the / key, which is the slash just below the question mark. I don't personally have a Mac, so I'm basing this off other people's suggestions. So take that with a grain of salt, but I know on a PC, again, it's Alt 0247. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope this helps.